Earlier this hour, NYSE listed Evolent rang the opening bell to celebrate its 10th anniversary of listing. And Ashley Mastronardi is on the floor with more. Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Kristen. Evolent is a company whose mission is to improve health outcomes for people dealing with complex conditions such as cancer. I'm joined now by its CEO and co-founder, Seth Blackley. Seth, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Great to be here.
So what is this 10-year anniversary of being listed on the exchange mean to you and to Evolent?
Well, I think it's a couple things. One, it's been 10 years of investment in our mission to serve patients and our customers and help them improve their health, and that's the most important part of it for me. The second thing I'm really proud of is having 100 of our team members here today who've helped build the company and help put together the products that serve our mission, and it's wonderful to celebrate with them.
Where does Evolent sit in the healthcare space? Do you work directly with providers rather than patients?
Yeah, so typically Evolent works first with the insurance companies to help support them, and then downstream of that with the treating oncologist or cardiologist or orthopedic surgeon, and helps guide them to make sure they have the latest evidence and the best practices for the care that the patient's receiving.
So what are Evolent's goals and how does growth look for the second half of the year and beyond?
Yeah, so the company's in a great place. We have a very significant pipeline and opportunity ahead, which we're excited about. And a lot of it's driven by the fact that if you're a patient or a provider or insurance company, you're struggling to balance making sure you have the latest and greatest information on the best care for the patient. There's over 300 journal articles a month published in some of these conditions, and trying to keep up with all that science is hard. So we're having a lot of demand for our product based on being able to balance both right evidence and making sure the cost and affordability in the right place.
Can you explain what value-based care is and how does Evolent offer that to the people that come across it?
Yeah, look, value-based care is a little bit of a buzzword, but the easiest way to think about it in a layperson's terms is how do I make sure the patient, number one, gets the best quality and the right care, number one, but at the same time, how do I also manage the affordability of it? Because if the cost of care continue to go up, people's insurance premiums go up, healthcare becomes less affordable for people. So I think of it as balancing first the quality, but also the affordability of care.
What's next for Evolent?
We're doing a lot right now around serving the patient directly. You asked earlier about, we do focus initially on supporting the provider, the oncologist or whatnot, but in the future, and we've already launched this product, being able to support the patient and the family around a cancer diagnosis. Which doctor should I see? Am I getting the right care? Do I need help when I'm at home and not at my physician's office? So that patient-supported care is really the next leg of Evolent.
All right, thank you so much, Seth Blackley, CEO and co-founder of Evolent. Thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange. Kristen, back to you.